Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Waiting a pass for place where they call them say Campaign Street, Street 2, inside Boya this morning time. We go try for enter for inside that chapter for Tokam. Inside Torise for this afternoon. We get palava for accidents, palava for die, and even palava for campaign. Newspaper then says they get their own story for Tokam this afternoon for this side, so for Equinox Story House. Big part talk for this afternoon. It talk for we say waiting. Say if butterfly, it talk say if it fly like a bird. Now only time where they put competition for fly. Now that time butterfly it is sabi say bird a passy. I say if butterfly it talk say in a bird they did the same. Now only time where they put competition say make them to the fly. Now that time butterfly it is sabi say bird a fly passy. Now Oga Ekema Emmanuel Likine for that side, so for Yawende. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. I return back some more time. Good afternoon, country people them. With the glad plenty say we don't meet up on again for this side for Equinox Story House. We then for before Tori, now so too with the Fala Tori, as well the pass. First story for this afternoon we go enter for Campaign Street, Street 2. Now for inside Boya this morning time, Sabi say plenty people them, been the people they no be open their place this time. But population for Campaign Street, Street 2 they come out for cry die. When a two boy them way they so they meet up and for roads where it dey like say na waiting bullets where it pass for their skin. People them for Campaign Street they ask na question waiting where it pass for that side, so for Campaign Street this afternoon or morning time. According to some people they try for talk say it dey so na a uniform people then say they pass put bullet for that people their skin. Other one then say they never fit for confirm the real story way it happen for that side, so for Campaign Street, Street 2. Plenty people them as one at the same they come out for cry this crime where he pass for Campaign Street. They the ask and say near them. They dey not for look at them, but so them they make people them for fear. So this palaver for Campaign Street 2 for that side, so for Boyam. This morning time it don't cause plenty people them for the ask question for inside their mind whether true there's also they safe or they know they safe. Sabi say chapter for vote a day for one side. Meet up thy body for inside morning time where place the shine. Another thing where people they say for inside Campaign Street they never so fit for understand where to way pass. So till now as so the talk we never fit for confirm who should the two boy picking the way they be shidon for outside and waiting it really pass for that side. We go so they make our investigate for inside this palaver, so for Campaign Street 2. Now for Boya side this morning time where two boy them bullets he enter for their skin where they be shidon for corner route. We go turn back for that chapter another time. We take una now as so we start for inside Sawes. We go remain for Sawes. We talk palava for accident wey happen. Taxi wey wanna this year and so call the people them. Taxi says he make na own small accident in for bush. Tori wey enter for we ear for this accident. He try for tell we say waiting. Say the taxi man he be come up from my foresight. He be one enter for Limbe town. As way he reach for that place for welcome for Limbe. Now for there where the taxi he be there for plenty speed. He meet up another motor wey be the camp for it before. One time, taxi man and 4 passenger people there they be there inside the motor. Now falling bush this, taxi man he does that thing, he fall in for inside bush. Their own 4 bush, now taxi says he hear bad. I say waiting. Taxi says he hear bad for inside this palaver, so for that side, so for Limbe. Now the taxi is skin that as one at the sea and so. Taxi says chakara better and na so 2 people they come sabi say we country now. All man na Tori man he be the take his own small image so that the fish one for population for our side. But na the taxi face that we fit talk say the people there they be there for inside the taxi. According to Tori we enter for we EM na only 1 person he be get wound. The other people them they come out fine. Even driver too he come out fine. Make we hear person wey he get taxi, he talk for a microphone for that side.
Come down.
So they want overtake some camion with the car up with some moto. The camion man don't dodge. He jammed the back tire, he bust up. Then after he passed again, jammed the some moto now before then pass to the side. So woman begin room for the foot. They have a promote safely, don't get me problem. All the 4 passengers were there for moto. Now only one woman will get small room. I be just one for move the engine so that it feel easy for move the motor. So because when you remove it now with the engine, it will never put a get back go inside. So I move the engine. I say the motor now will be light and I wait to drive. Now, person that way, he be get that taxi for that side, so for Limbe way for a bush, for bush, as so if you talk the taxi for bush, no be na for palava waiting accident way be pass. We go so remain for chapter for motor the way they fall for roads. We enter now so for that side for Mabandam. Now motor this way, it be the Gimimbo for that side so for Mabandam. Now for inside Douala just now we don't enter for talk this motor where we hear say as way it be 1 ton for inside Mabandam. Now so to the motor it takes side, tumble side, fall for down. The motor as well here and as well na Sabina motor way it be the share Gimimbo, it be the tonton for inside Mabanda side for Gimimbo for Badem and the motor it tumble side for Sika ground where they put them for road. Sabi say na so chapter for Sika say waiting road there were plenty for inside Mabanda. One way you see ground say for them. They say the man where he be there inside the motor driver man. He no be even look for down before he be the tonton. One time, as way he climb on top one of the ground. Now so to the motor he throw away. Motor boy, we hear say na he get wound. Driver, he come up for inside the motor better. No nothing, he no do the driver. But as so the talk, now so palava for we worry them. Particular one way he dey for inside Mabanda way, he don't worry plenty. No ask me whether Mimbo he be throw away or people they be get plenty gando for shark their shark for that side. So but sabi say inside this palava na so for Sika palava for Wawa road. Na way he make this motor a tumble side. Make we hear one person too for that side for Mabanda for inside this arrangement. A talk for we Padiman for that side, Romanus Che.
But and about the ground where they try for roads. So that man for Brazil be get for camp so it turn up wait send me they push the ground put on one side for send me pass. If it be say we go driving school, like if you know how you forget for pass on the road. I don't come into the ground, if you call the man will get ground say, when me I want pass, I know we get way for pass for on top the ground. I go pass now how? If the man will call you say no, it is so the ground the people push on one side, but the man force and say one pass or corner now, now the motor go fall.
Yes, na person that for inside Mabanda side, it be the talk for we own man for that side, Romanus Chem, where he send with the image for that side. Now also for another one way pass for Douala here, now for Newtown Avioport, na road that where it dey for Newtown Avioport, na di moto this one na the sanding Gongoro, where he says he be make a versus for that side, he make for Sika this accident too for roads for that side for Newtown Avioport. He make road sesep, he no be the pass for some half time for inside this palava so for accident. If he meet from do waiting for say make this motor then sesep they come out, they try for move come out all the motor then for roads before last motor they start pass. But sabi say for Sika this accident for that side for Newtown Avioport. He make and say plenty people them they no be fit for tonton free. Now so to police self they come for can see as way they go struggle for see as way they motor them. They go come up for roads for say make other people then too they use roads. We go left chapter for accident. We enter now so for palava picking them first. Now for this side, we take on go for that side. So we they call them say Chang. We take on for Chang for talk this palava young boy. We talk this palava. We enter for chapter for picking them. For talk this other one Nadine. We be doing this station. So one more will continue for talk for them. Before we enter for the other chapter for picking we be die for Feng Goodrong for Omnisport. We go enter first for this other one for talk which we pass. For Pikiwe die for Feng Goodrong Omnisport. Sabi say this Pikin they calling a Brandon according to Toriwe enter for EM. Brandon be get 10 years. He come up for house. He want go read book with a friend. He no come back for house only for early Sunday morning time, they meet up Brandon in die body for inside water for some corner some place where it dey so they fix gutter for inside that place where they call am say Fen Goudron Omnisport for Pidgin na place where they so quota it don't end for inside Omnisport site. Now for the way they so they meet up the 10-year-old boy picking inside water wey don already die. Na so to army rescue people dem dey come help comot the die body, put am for inside taxi, take am one time go na for Deido hospital according to tori wey enter for we EM. So Brandon in die body just now e dey for Deido co-house. Na for there wey dey carry Brandon in die body take am go, and dey try for talk for we say e dey so e no mean na safety Brandon e drink water for place wey dey comot. We go small time enter for side wey dey be comot plenty even Ketu their source e don try for talk for him say e dey show like say Brandon dey only kill am before they throw it for inside the water wey they can comot for them for Sunday morning time. So e dey na wonderful thing wey people dem for Fen Goudron Omnisport all dem be comot for outside, all dem be comot for outside for cry this pikin die. Sabi say inside this palaba na for this place as soon as say they open water inside the water na way e dey so they can comot Brandon for inside that water. And plenty people they don't talk say they no fit for Brandon, you know, for fit for remain inside that water where you know come out. So they try for talk say they only kill that boy, na kill him before they put him inside that water. Now for Fen Goudron Omnisport, that one a pass. So chapter for picking them, we go take on now, so go for Chang. We talk this palava young boy we near them the catchy for that side. So for Chang where e dey so e own work now for the thief small picking them. Now the boy that way she done so for day where Ketu then say they pull hand for his skin. Population say it become for that place. That picking where she don't talk white chair. Now the last picking that where e dey so that young boy he just come up for thief farm before e dey so near them say they follow so they catchy. Sabi say this chapter for thief picking them for Chang side. Plenty mommy them they be don't declare their picking them where they did disappear. They need to see the picking them. They need to turn back for house. This last one as well it happen whether na how the thing a pass na population say a put hand for this young one one at the see so na he don't the thief all the picking them whether it use and do na waiting person no sabi wetin it use and do, but thank God say they catch it the last time as well it thief that young boy. As well here Ketu then say they don't talk say they go open investigate for sabi side where the other one the way he don't the thief am he don't the go keep them. So na palava for wait and see. We our own ESSF e dey for ground for sabi way to way a pass for that side for the picking way the thief am. Thank you plenty Ivan Amel for that side. So for Chan where you send with that image for that side. We go left all the quarter to read them now. We enter for inside politics. Sabi say na period this for politics and we must to so talk the politics. If we no talk that one, it means say tori never finish. Make we enter for chapter for campaign now. Maurice Kamto inside Douala 4 for Saturday. Total confusion for inside Douala 4. Now so two people the way they say the day for back Maurice Kamto. All man e come out. Time way last e reach pa Maurice Kamto say e be get for calm. E be dey na peace plant. All kind of glad wey Okada people dey show all kind of style for talk calm goods for Maurice Kamto country people dem. Even Esama Sesep as one at the sea with a Cameroon flag. E be dey na come and see Maurice Kamto Sesep e be wear na e own Cameroon jersey for talk say e be prepared for kick that penalty so tey e enter for pole. Na so too Paul Eric Kingere na talk man for Maurice Kamto inside this arraignment. E try for talk say they don't come. Maurice Kamto don't promise say no west wanna go see me for day I go come for day can talk, and if una put me for chair na so too plenty things they get for change. So now the small meeting that way be passed for that side for Bonaberi for Maurice Kamto Cameroon Renaissance Movement. Population become after this meeting with people there for Bonaberi side. Maurice Kamto e be cross go for that side for Saint Michel for so continue the same thing. Now for Saturday we no be sabi whether near dem say they be the support na Maurice Kamto, but only way they full up for day na come and see Mami Wata be dey. I say wetin Mami Wata for near e be dey wey e mean say anything wey be one star pass for day people dey for only see na Mami Wata dey comot water for his skin na scratching this on top people dem. So for corner side for Maurice Kamto una see number for motor for near dem wey dey be line up. I say dey be dey plenty, no be na self say na one, no be na two, no be na three, na so dey dey and na so dey near dem sef dey comot plenty. Only for sika say wetin dey say Maurice Kamto be the trumpet. Say wey dey make that meeting e no be get for make am for day. So na for sika why that way near dem dey comot dem plenty. Only for see as wey the thing e go dey pass. And sabi say no be na only near dem, even police people themselves say dey be dey for say make Maurice Kamto e bring any confusion, they go just enter. See 1 2 3 4 police motor dem for all corner. Near dem say they be floor for all corner. Then other thing too wey be dey e be dey na this palava for waiting, palava for ambulance, so that any person wey e by mistake e sleep straight or e collapse one time, ambulance too go carry am comot. So all thing be dey near dem say police o all man e be dey for Saturday. Only for say Maurice Kamto dem dey talk say e trumpet e be the so make thing there. Na ambulance that win one for local people dem see near their motor. Dey be dey plenty. Even na president sef do be so. Make we turn back for that side, we hear till a pass for where my voice no dey. That way pass for that side. So for Bonaberry side under Maurice Kamto, how e be passed to for SDF, OC Joshua Sesep e be there for outside for Saturday calling people them, and sabi say OC Joshua will be there for outside for Saturday. E be start for gather population for inside Douala here Sesep. Now for inside Douala where OC Joshua Sesep e be start for meet up with all the party people them. Now so they meet up 1111. After where they meet up for inside Douala one time, they enter na for road. As where they enter for road calling people them, or na for which side they will go, na for place where they call them say the Bombari. Now for the first place that where Oga LC Joshua stop, well, now for inside Douala also so they enter now so for road calling people them. Now so near them say they be so turn for road for see as where the team pass. First place where he be stop, now for place where they call and say the Bombari, where OC Joshua says he meet up with the population. He first talk for inside the chapter say waiting, make they put on, make they see as where they go put it for inside A to D when number 7 day for this number how many moon, number 8 moon or number 10 moon come. Now so too they come out for the Bombari, Okada people them, they be there for before. Waka sote enter na for Banga Sesep, sabi say na for Banga Sesep where Oga OC Joshua he meet up again with the party people them. He talk for party people them till we go do if they put it for chair and other small thing them. Now so too he promise them as well he finish talk for that side for Banga. One time OC Joshua he come up for the he start going for West region. And sabi say for corner side for TOC and for Palava SDF, we take una go for West region side where we talk this Palava for some time. We tell una say some big man for SDF na that close so way it here. No be na say na SSF it here close. They say na some other big man for another political party. CMRU na Nakisote Tietie close so. As one at the CM, E2 Ibiden a big man for SDF for that side. So for West region, now he closed that way. They so different big man for inside different party in Nakisote. It's here he close. So for corner side for inside this Palava for SDF Jawaka for West region. Sabi say before Ibiwa even meet up people them for inside that side where they call them say Bafusam. OC Joshua be get time for go she done for C waiting. He go put flower for NS Gwandi. burial place. Sabi say Ernest Gwandi say na one of the people them. If you don't read Cameroon history, it too he began hand for see as we independent for country to be go for before. So OG Joshua before he go meet up with Bafoussam people them, he carry flower, he put on two on top grave for Ernest Gwandi for that side, so for Bafoussam. So now just some of the corner side and that for SDF, OC Joshua Iwaka for inside West region. Sabi say now so as all the talk, OC Joshua, he don't already go for that side for up north. We hear say just now, if they for place where they call and say Adamawa. We left SDF, we enter to for inside another side. We take on a talk palava of Popular Democratic Front, now so they call them Popular Democratic Front or for Democracy, Popular Front for Democracy, when Akeremuna, Popular Front for Democracy, when Akeremuna own party, Akeremuna SSF, it become up for that side where they call them say Congress Hall, now for place for inside Yawende, where it make plenty people them, they become join. It be then at the time for Akeremuna SSF for talking minds, con the people them, waiting I mean by talking mind. Akeremuna, it be get for talk for population, waiting he go do if they vote for number 7 day for inside number 10 moon 2018. Akeremuna plenty population say they be come out for see as way the thing happen. Sabi say inside and Dongamen we will get people them for UPC and other party the way they be don't talk say they go support Akeremuna for join hand. Many them people them Jodone Yebga we been get Mama Sese Mama Abiba we be them and even other big people them for money them UPC where all them they don't join say they go join with Akeremuna. But Sabi say Akeremuna plan now for say waiting now for make new republic for inside country. Now they talk that they talk and even the brother say Ben Munam Ebidede for inside the Palava and other big people them where they consign. Sabi say Akeremuna he go meet up with the Tori people them tomorrow. Now for talk for Tori people them how he go the tonton for all the 10 regions them. So now so the thing be pass for PFD party where they call them say Popular Front for Democracy where na Akeremuna. Inside Douala here for Sunday too, it be there na another come and see. Now for place where they call them say Start Sikam where it is so Cabral Libi says it be go for day. I say yes. Cabral Libi it make population a full up for Start Sikam like say na come see. But plenty people they ask na question. All the people then so they don't register their name for votes and all them they go vote na Cabral Libi. If na so, then na him say Cabral Libi, he go surely declare say okay, he don't surely already win. But population be come out, he no so mean say na so vote to he go pass. Cabral Libi, he talk for all the people them say he dey so better thing he dey come for them if they turn vote even for road sef. Cabral Libi he make am population. Na so too near them say they be turn for all sides. Roads he be block. For that side so where they call am say Nouvelle Route Cité or for Angel Raphael where e no be dey at all as wey Cabral Libi e be comot for talk with the people them for outside. Make we just turn back for that side so for Start Sikam some of the small image dem wey we pick am for corner. Make una see. So now the thing that we pass for inside this side for Palava for this party, we go take una now. We enter to for CPDM. Sabi say big launch too. It be passed to for CPDM. Cameroon people. Una sabi Cameroon people's party SSF when the party SSF from Kunkumam for that side. So for Bamenda, I be promise I go turn back for them. We see Achidi Achu, Prime Minister Young Grand Atango SSF. They be there for inside Congress Hall. Now for day for Bamenda, where it is so they be start their own launch for this chapter for campaign for Nkunkuma. Ebide na big lot as well even Prime Minister says member say he too he come up for up north. He put his hand too for up. I say dancing. Pa young a dance so te say as we put hand no. Now the correct Bamenda man be that. Sabi say he too he show say no way. Even as we are there for Yawende for air conditioner. As so sabi as we are the non country dance. See as we pa young in hand so dey na for up. Now for tell you say waiting. Man anyhow we dey for outside no fit ever forget country fashion. So now for the way they do launch for inside this palava for waiting. Palava for campaign for CPDM for inside Northwest. Sabi say before the boy enter so for Bamenda way they so plenty they don't talk say if they enter they go show them pepper. But now how they take enter no as ambassador, but Sabi say last CPDM is start a campaign true for inside Bamenda big hall when na their own horses help. Ebidena chapter for dance and chapter for do other small thing them as we wanna the see for inside image for that side. Sabi say last they talk say vote it go happen and na door to door kind way they go make them. They go meet up you, make you see how if you vote, meet up you talk for you, meet up you talk for you. So Ebidena big lot for that side so for Bamenda hall. Even as we some chair themselves they be dey empty. For Boya side, na the same thing it be pass. Nyati they enter for that side for Mountain Hotel. Now for the way they so CPDM people themselves the launch campaign. For before, now the head boy for launch campaign, Peter Mafane Musungem, with other big CPDM people that we sote now, they be the shidona for Yawende. They enter for Boya. Mayor Ekema Party says a talk say come and see. So it means say they be so get mind for enter for inside Boya. After we all man, he don't run remainer for that side for Yawende. I say better dance ebidede. All kind people there they be concerned for inside this palava for campaign. Senator Mbela Muki Sesep and other big people then for inside Saways. They be there for launch for CPD and palava for campaign. Sabi say the one it be the happen at time where they so plenty people them. They don't talk say this one it no go surely pass. But last a pass for that side so for inside Mountain Hotel. Sabi say security sesep it be there in the proper. Any man where you see and so for day. Now 1:1 K2. 1:1 K2. 1 man is to 1 K2. 1 man is to 1 K2. So the launch in the pass, but now for inside house the launch it happen. We be get some small thing the way we don't pick am. We go so the pick am as we campaign the start. Make we try for CD1. Maurice Kamto, changement inside peace and for the future of our children. Changement inside peace and for the future of our children. All the T1 na they carry French, put them for Google Translate, put them back as we come out. Disgrace. That one a disgrace for the two country talk the way we get them. Better talk say you want see a way if you promote picking their future, make their picking their future go better tomorrow. Peace and picking their future. Man, I didn't continue now. Why lost them? Make we enter for even CPDM. CPDM says people there they for communication side. Them too they get plenty complaint. Yes, CPDM they get complaint. Una see la force de experience. They just put them for Google Translate, come out and move them again. The force of experience. Lie. You know if you ever be Nadine waiting. Make we enter for the other side where I don't put small, I don't correct small thing for day. It be get for being at the power of experience. It be get for be the power of experience. So all the strength, no be na force, no be na wet to wet. That one a disgrace for the two country talk them. Because the time it don't finish week on the people them, we no go surely enter for inside Tori Sepway newspaper then talk this afternoon on the people them. We go left that palava for mistake. As I be say plenty people that they already see that mistake. They get for try for correct and we don't see another one we'll go bring them tomorrow. Now the same thing where they do. So on the people then we no go enter for newspaper this afternoon with time. It already finished. We want to say big thank you for all people that they don't join them for say meeting they happen fine. Bella Yondo, thank you plenty. Job Desiree Sesep, thank you plenty. And even you Ivan Amel, thank you plenty. We get for this side Varios, Malice, and even Nadine Gua for where they don't join hand. For say make we do till on see and so this afternoon. Any I want be make una enjoy fine. Na sote for some time. On a hold am tight.